Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and fix OBS Studio lag. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch. So let's just get straight into the video. First of all, simply go ahead and try to reinstall your OBS Studio from the internet by uninstalling it. Right click on it and simply go ahead into your properties. Once you're in properties, you want to go ahead and do your security, and on the user that you're currently using, make sure that you are allowing full control. That way nothing else could go ahead and bother the process of streaming. And then you can simply go ahead into compatibility and make sure that this has been ticked on, which says run this program as administrator. Now that is set, simply go ahead and open the application, and I want you to go ahead into your settings. Now make sure that your stream settings are correct. Let's go to output. On streaming, make sure that you're using video encoder as NVENC, because NVENC is gonna be helping you to go ahead and stream a lot smoother than X264. X264 is the software version of it. However, this is what I prefer, but you could go ahead and try both, if whichever works right for you. For your encoder settings, make sure that you're on your constant bitrate, and make sure that your bitrate is not this high as mine. It also is gonna go ahead and make your OBS lag. You can stream from anywhere from 4000 to 4500 and it's still gonna be working fine. On tuning, you wanna go ahead into low latency or ultra low latency rather than high quality, because it's gonna go ahead and affect your OBS. Over here you can simply go ahead with medium or even low quality on presets, and everything is going to be okay. Finally, if your computer is lagging a lot, simply go ahead and stream on 1280 by 720 rather than 1920 by 1080 or even 4K, and stream on 30 FPS, and it's going to be all right. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.